Hey guys, let's talk about Prime Day and how your brand can make sure that you use that increased traffic to maximize sales. So you want to make sure that your advertising is optimized for Prime Day spend because there's increased traffic on Amazon and brands across the board will see an uplift in sales. So you're spending in a way that maximizes your sales and is done efficiently. So I'm going to share a couple of tips that will help you exactly do that. So the first thing you want to find out is your daily peak hours. You can do so by using business reports in your Seller Central. Using business reports, you want to establish what are normal peak hours for your brand on any given day. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your ads console and you want to look at your campaigns, especially your sponsored product campaign budget cap. Okay, this is a setting that you can even change from your Seller Central app, and you can change it multiple times. What you want to do is for Prime Day, you want to make sure that your campaigns don't go out of budget because of increased traffic. So you want to make sure that during those peak hours that you found out from your business reports, you want to increase your budget so that your sales are maximized efficiently during those peak hours, that you are not going out of budget. Okay, so you can increase your spend, and similarly outside of those hours on Prime Day, you can also decrease your spend. So you would be, doing it and spending your budget efficiently. The budget cap will ensure that your ads are running efficiently in the peak time and that every order is profitable and you're achieving the best ROAS possible. So as I said, this setting is really easy to change from your Amazon Seller app on your phone. You can just log into your app and find the budget cap setting and change it, and you can change it multiple times a day, as I said. And so you want to make sure that you are not going out of budget during those peak hours on Prime Day. Follow for more tips on Amazon FBA and Amazon advertising.